to delete call history on Messenger. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete your call history on Messenger. So to delete your call history on Messenger, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Messenger app. If you don't have, you have to go to your App Store or Play Store. Then you have to, after that, here you have to open up your Messenger. So to delete the call history on your Messenger, you have to go for that Messenger chat and go for the eye icon and click on the three dot option, and you can go for the delete conversation. Then your call history on Messenger will be deleted. So to delete the call history on your Messenger, so there is no option on the bottom. So if you have the option of calls on the bottom, you can go for that. If you don't have, you have to go for your Messenger chat and long press on that call and go for the more option, and you can delete that. So with the help of this process, you can easily delete the call history on your Messenger. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.